family, how are you all doing? Thank you for the love and the support. So my beautiful people, today I'll be quick to share with you one that's the normally say shall never end. Look, this is Progress the Analyst, and here I keep you updated. I touch that the latest happening and I bring reality to your doorstep. So without not wasting much of your time, let us dive into the reason why we're here. So today I just want to draw our attention to something. Come on. Recently, a lot has been going on. I know say a lot of people don't they want me say, Progress the Analyst. What is that? What is going on? What are grants? What is happening? Why is it that we have not been seeing your mom? I have to carry you all along, you know. Holiday don't pass. Take a like that, say holiday don't over. So today, my people, I have asked myself a lot of questions. If you see the scenario, if you are someone that is observant, you will observe that all this wuru waga, Dr. Ngozi not the chic. I tell you, have you asked yourself question why this woman looks so strong? Let me tell you the secrets, because a lot of people do not know, and a lot of people go though they want it directly, they ask. I saw some comments say, this woman, she's strong, she's this. People don't know the secrets. I want to tell you today. Now, some people say Simonba said he did not recognize Dr. Ngozi. This is when you will know that what you don't really know of a truth is bigger than you. Do you know before Simonba was called in, a lot of people don't ask this type of questions. They don't evaluate themselves. They don't checkmate things to really know what is really going on. Before Simonba was taken in, Simonba was working with Dr. Ngozi hand in hand. They were always both together communicating, trying to fix things. At that point, Simonba is aware of what is going to happen. Don't you wonder about his last tweet when he said, in few weeks from now, that is in few weeks from the day he wrote this post, he said, a lot of people will start talking ill about him. A lot of people will start carrying false information about him. A lot of people will turn back and start blasting him, blaming him for everything that has happened. This guy have seen today. He have seen what is about to happen, because here in the Western world, they have given him breakdown. They have written letter to him that so day we are inviting you for questioning. He's aware, so he gets that opportunity to direct Dr. Ngozi on what to do on his behalf. Believe it or you leave it. Argue with your keyboard. That is your business. Now, he told Dr. Ngozi everything. Have you asked yourself a question? Why is it that if one thing they come out, when they are talking one today, tomorrow Dr. Ngozi go bring another one. Next tomorrow, they've already ruled out things. Use your brain. Don't let somebody deceive you. Hey, Dr. Ngozi is not aware of anything. Dr. Ngozi is 100% involved. She's 100% aware. Simonba have told Dr. Ngozi what to do next at every given opportunity or at every given moment when he is in. Now, Dr. Ngozi and Simonba, they have made their agenda. They have planned a lot of things together. That is why, if you notice, Simonba is not talking about Dr. Ngozi because he has given Dr. Ngozi the key. He gave Dr. Ngozi the go-ahead to run everything on his behalf. He gave Dr. Ngozi the strength, the go-ahead, the confidence, and he has put Dr. Ngozi through on a lot of things. It's just that Dr. Ngozi don't want to open up everything that he has discussed with Simonba. Everything she discussed with Simonba, she don't want to put it out there because it's not necessary. How, ask me, Progress the Analyst, how do you come to such conclusion? Now let me tell you. Do you remember the time of Mazina, the kind where they were dragging Simonba that you don't know about Mazina the Kanu? You don't know anything. You don't have right to talk about Mazina the Kanu. You don't have right to claim what you don't know. Mazina the Kanu don't have right to say they should give you slot on Radio Biafra. Mazina the Kanu has talked to Simonba on what to do, things to do if he's called in. Because Mazina the Kanu know very well that a time like that will come and he positions Simonba. Have you asked yourself one question? As soon as they carry him, he was able to get access to people. The first name when you call as Simonba, they should give Simonba slots to be making brokers on Radio Biafra. Now, Simonba normally make one statement and said, I don't learn from the past leaders. I have learned from Mazina the Kanu. I have going to put a structure that people will follow. So anybody can just stand up and continue. He can just be, he will be so happy to just leave this thing as somebody else is taking over. This is what he said. Now ask yourself question. Why is it that you are thinking that this thing looks so easy for Dr. Ngozi? Simon Ekpa has talked to Dr. Ngozi. They have planned. He has given Simon Ekpa 100% assurance that if anything happened, don't worry, I dare you gidigba. Have you asked yourself one question? The first time this news blows out, who was the first person Simon Ekpa sent message to? And recall the first person Mazina the Kanu send message for. It don't they enter your body, it don't they shock you. When they carry Mazina the Kanu, the first person when he send message to na Simon Ekpa. It they shock you that you don't they see the revelation abi. He sent message to Simon Ekpa. And when Simon Ekpa was in, who was the first person when he sent message to? Dr. Ngozi. When DOS heard about the message to Simon Ekpa, they were furious. They were so angry. Una they follow up, abi. So if you not dey around, maybe you never join this China or this family before some Mazina the Kanu happen. Once upon a time, when the Paske Mazina the Kanu, the first person when Mazina the Kanu send message for na Simon Ekpa. And that message might be the beginning of the problem that Simon Ekpa have. Jealousy. And a lot of people were there to defend Simon Ekpa. Why? Because the attack was much. Now ask yourself one question. When Simon Ekpa was arrested, who was the first person he sent message to? Dr. NGOZIORABUEZE, the Deputy Prime Minister. Now you they add 1 + 1 together right now. Don't let anybody casual you. They where you did. That first message, that is what we stand for. Mazina the Kanu first message was for Simon Ekpa. Simon Ekpa's first message was to Dr. Ngozi by people. On another reason, tomorrow, one Aburoba will stand in her platform and start dancing. Because now, she thought Simon Ekpa is no more. Oh, you want to take over PM? Don't let them deceive you. So, with this little one I tell you now, you don't get them happy. Now, Simon Ekpa told Dr. Ngozi that to declare this Biafra, it is so important. Simon Ekpa was with Dr. Ngozi to the very dying minutes. Are you not telling me that the people that are saying Simon Ekpa sent message to one person, stop the declaration, instead he go tell Dr. Ngozi, because it's just within a week interval that let's forget about this declaration. When he received that invitation letter, he knew exactly what is about to happen. But Simon Ekpa will arrange everything first. And he did not stay stop. Rather, he said, make sure that day, the redeclaration happened. That was why you see that Dr. Ngozi was faster. She ran faster compared to the rest of people. Because why? They don't know what did happen. So the declaration took them unaware. Meanwhile, Simon Ekpa knew that these other people, they are having interior motive. Oh God, this one now something where BC you supposed carry share, carry joko, progress the analyst. I go teach you. Simon Ekpa knows that these people, they are having plan B. And what happened? He told Dr. Ngozi, say, make sure this redeclaration happened. Try your best. That was why you see that we dey watch the video as we did here. Everybody they fear. Nobody wants to climb up to say that I mean want to declare. But there is one bold woman as usual that Simon Ekpa confided. That is Dr. Ngozi. She said, okay, if they are trying to stop this, because Simon Ekpa has told her that these people, what they want is to stop this redeclaration. Let it just be that everything that these people did going back to their various destinations is just waste. Now, Dr. Ngozi puts it upon herself and said, okay, then we will declare this Biafra on 29th. So even if at the end of the day, they send us out from this hall, we will be happy that we have already been declared. My people, they're not they buy intelligence for markets. Build yourself up. Have a rethink. Simonba said, make sure you will declare, and that was exactly what she did. Now, Simonba said, I don't know when this thing will happen. I don't know if they will want us to stay till second. But anyhow, any little opportunity you have, make sure we declare Biafra. And that was exactly what happened on 29th. That a lot of people are now going gaga. So, if they tell you, say, Dr. Ngozi Simonba said, no USB, ask them, did Simonba know you? Oh no, to come out, he said they say fall back. Now the fall back procedure there. So look at the wall of them, they are disgracing themselves. Vagabond and no to me that team, all of them, they zue. You know why I don't like using their voice note if they confess like this? Because these people, they be anywhere but their face. They are never to be trusted, and their mouth not there from one place. Today they be, tomorrow they see, next tomorrow they D. This is type of people that they follow the fight. These are kingdom fighters. None of the son that they follow the fight for waiting. You don't see where they don't give cats, fish to look. You guys were doing this thing with all these sets of scammers, thinking that now they fight for the same Biafra. Now, like these people, they are scammers. Look at Onyochu. You see those people that claim, oh, the time of Pasina the Kanu, I did. The time of Simonba, I did. You know how many years without they come? You know, say those people, they are the confusionists we are having today. They are the problem carriers. They are the ones that are scattering everything upside down. Go DOS people now. The group does share into 3. I was there before. Do what I say, but don't do what I do. The truth is far from them. The truth tear at them every blessed day, but they don't want to say anything about the truth. Those are the kind of people you won't fight Biafra with. See Onochu, ask her, what is the essence of her jubilating? I don't tell her time without no bother. This one you people are covering yourself. There is no need. Just come out. Come out as the APM, or as the Deputy Prime Minister, or as the PM. Give yourself that title and continue doing your own. It don't clear for now. As the year older 6 years, they could not hold back their plan B. Onoto was so excited that the meaning of those dances she was dancing is, thank God, I am now in charge. Do you remember that before this thing happened, she was like, make it reach September 1st. Make it reach September 1st. Make them reach September 1st. Because why? Her mind in September, she will take over. That was exactly what is playing out. Now, let me shock you people. Do you know that the same Igwe Butuzo, God of mercy, the same Igwe Butuzo that make all these people to leave Dr. Ngozi, that Dr. Ngozi is not taking care of gentlemen, is not taking care of the women and men on ground. She's not doing this, doing that. They fall back to Briggy that is doing it. From Briggy, now they went to CRC. Do you know that Igwe Butuzo is not working with any of these people? It's shocking, Abi. As Vagabond, when was the last time he shared this men and women on ground video? They know they shared their video again. Do you ask yourself what happened? No be here we receive message where they say CRC chairman Iman say he is not giving Gento any money. That Gento have another means where he's collecting money from. My people, things they happen. I saw I never cheat on chin. Progress the analyst. I was just sitting down watching all the scenario. I say, my goodness. I was sitting down watching everything one after the other. Now Nollywood they watch all this, but now as you they watch her, reality, if they hit you, you still wait for these people to scam you. These people, they are liars. They have nothing to offer. Today, CROCO, Onyocho, all of them, all the Briggy. Nobody is working with Igwe Butuzo. They refuse to give the Gento money. Hey, God of mercy. They refuse to give the Gento money. The same money that Onyocho used to scam people with this CROC. You see the type of fight they are fighting right now. Oh, now they see the type of fight when these people they fight. The title of this today's video is The Losers. They are all losers. bunch of losers, all of them. Even the ones that say that encouraging CROC, oh, give Ngozi 3 months, they will fade off. You see the way they fuck up their pataka. They fall everywhere, 4 corner, 4 middle. Nobody recognize their signature anymore. They are the evidence of real losers. Dr. Ngozi is the evidence of don't fight grace. You see their life. The same Igwe Butuzo, the same men on ground, these CROC people, Onyonto and her gang, her gangster gang, the same thing now. Today now, they don't leave Butuzo. They don't leave Jeto Diao. They don't leave all those men on ground. Nobody do anything with them now. What they do now, they normally put their videos on Facebook. So, will you allow these people to scam you? Hey, God of mercy. Will you allow CROC to scam you, collect your money? These people, they are not fighting for any Biafra. I keep on telling you people, you will not be. They are not fighting for any Biafra. You see that CROC company, now ask them, what are they doing with the money? Onyocho come out now, she started crying. Ask them, what are they doing with the money? Vagabond. Hey, they don't take care of the men and women or grand anymore. They don't give Jeto money. They don't give you Butuzo money. Say because these people have another means where they are collecting money. Imam Dagu said, since they have another place they are collecting money, that means they will not give them money anymore. I know first time I say they say they won't use the money for agriculture. I know first time say they won't use the money to plant cassava. You did not hear. Now you see, on our money don't go. CROC, Onyocho and her gangsters group, they are losers. So now, CROC, they are now calling Onyocho a drunkard. Drunk cow, see that drink. They say she drink finish, she go they missing out. Now the name when CROC give them. You see vagabond when they shout everywhere. They say when they won't do important meeting, they go throw away vagabond come on for corner. After they do meeting finish, they'll send us, so yeah, go to the media and shout. Say they, because they did not confide in him. They say because he talked too much. The same thing they said about Onyocho. That Onyocho talk too much, they cannot plan with all these people. You see group of non-entity. Now tell me, what are they doing with the money you guys are giving them? Ask questions. Onyocho, give account, bring record. You are a scammer. Okay, because CROC not share money, we should not be when they confess. You see, these people came out and shined the account of a CROC when they went to Finland to disturb Simonba. You can see Simonba, they versed that very day one of these people they did for Finland with her. Because they smell. Simonba was angry. Because Simonba knew exactly what he was doing, that he has already given Dr. Ngozi go ahead and everything she needs to know. On her see on her life. All this Onyocho with her cohort, with her gangsters group. Ask them what can they offer. Only to come out on social media and shout and back and back. Now, you see, Onyocho's second name. You never come out and analyze that name for us. What did they happen? This your Abidjan name. What is going on? Are you not ashamed of yourself? Shame, 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 shame on all of you. Shame on you people. You are not ashamed of yourself. Every day they call on a Funani, and now you be the Funani. Now you be the Funani. Now you be the really original architect of Pessimist Road. Now be you. What it be your name? Hey, God of mercy. You know if you interpret that your name, you know if you analyze that for us. Shame on you. That your Lamamba. That your name when they carry come from one place. So now, Dr. Ngozi say, I have to tell these people that they don't have sense. Now, this is what she posted. Education. It is my job to educate the Nigeria and Biafra illiterates on the difference between the National Congress of Women's Societies, NCWS, of which I am involved with full chests. She's involved. With and the National Council of Women's Society Nigeria. She dey tell una the difference because una not the reason well. Hey, is National Nigeria Women Club. Nigeria Women Club. Now, this is the difference. You see this National Congress for Women Society. And the other one is National. The other one is National Council for Women's Society. One is National Congress and one is National Women. The one that is National Women, that is the one they have in Nigeria. Shame on all of you. Shame on all of you. Now they say, this is this one, National Congress and National Council. The two are the same. Go. In fact, I don't really understand. Some people, they don't know, but they're ready to sit down under somebody and do what? And learn. We learn every day. Even the one when you want still know. That made they say, school is not the finish. But some people know, they prefer to use their mouth to mislead illiterate. May they rob, they follow them. One is National Women's Society. The other one is National Women Congress. The one that is National Women's Society, now na girl for Bongo, Obodo, Nigeria. Why the one for Congress women, of which Dr. Ngozi is also a member today? Now USA Day. Una see una mumu dog play shot on una. Una go learn the hard way. Now she have told the people, say there is difference between National Women Congress and National Women Council. Hey, God of blessing. So, show you the same. There is difference between National Women Congress and National Women Council. Go use your bekemat to separate the two. You guys are about Funani, not about Funani. Meanwhile, now you be the author of Funani. You see, there is difference between National Women Council and National Women Congress. Make una go share. Oh, she no go let una know the truth today. You see, she don't come and say, if she not educate una, what is she gain? She have to educate you because she don't carry of like sandpaper. So, my beautiful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Do it to like the video, share, and subscribe. I still remain your one and only Progress the Analyst with a very beautiful face, and I am here to keep you updated. Thank you so much. Hey, bye for now.